here we're going to look at solving something where our variable's in the denominator. But picture when we decide, we can do any steps we want as long as we do them to both sides of the equation. When we decide what steps to do, very often you're doing the opposite of whatever you're trying to get rid of. So notice here there's a divided by v. If I want to get rid of a divided by v, I can multiply both sides of the equation by v. And so here, since I'm multiplying, right, it's over 1, a whole number. These two cancel. I end up with -9 equals -6v. So this is the reason I chose to multiply by it, so that it would cancel. And so now notice the only thing that's stopping our variable from being by itself is that it's multiplied by -6. So if I divide both sides by -6, we should be able to cancel that out. And then picture as a fraction, this will definitely reduce. The negatives cancel, and 9 over 6, they're both divisible by 3. So that would be the same as 3 over 2. And -6 and -6 cancel. So v equals 3 over 2. Well, let's try another example. So 6 equals -3 divided by y, or over y. So if I want to get rid of a divided by y, I can multiply both sides by y, so that these cancel. So I end up with y times 6, or 6y, equals -3. And so now to get rid of a multiplied by 6, if I divide both sides by 6, so this says y equals, now be careful, 3 goes into 6, but this says -3 divided by 6. So as a fraction, right, this isn't large enough to work out to a whole number, but I can say 3 and 6 are both divisible by 3. If I divide them both by 3, I end up with 1 over 2. And don't forget our negative, so -1/2 is the same as -3 over 6. And so we successfully got y by itself.